Hello, here is Dinar and you're watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and the SkyWorld community development over the past weeks. In this release, Unitsky String Technologies signed a contract with the largest department of the National Academy of Sciences of Belarus, the uSky transport team, architects of the future of mobility. Access to uTerra 2024 Christmas bonuses has been extended till the 31st of January. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. Unitsky String Technologies has entered into an agreement for cooperation in science and technology with the largest of the 7 divisions of the National Academy of Sciences of Belarus, Physical and Engineering Sciences Department. The main purpose of the agreement, strengthening and development of scientific, technical and innovative cooperation by initiating and practical implementation of scientific developments in priority areas of mutual interest. The uSky Testing and Certification Center continues the stage 4 of U-Bus carrot commissioning on the test track number 4. This stage of the work involves handing over control of the vehicle to the control room. In a new interview, the Unitsky String Technologies team met with Igor Apranich, an expert in programming controllers for transport. We share Igor's thoughts about working at the company, new technologies, and attitudes towards safety. To give more partners an opportunity to take advantage of Christmas bonuses, we have extended the uTerra 2024 promotion till the 31st of January. You can get access to packages with 1 to 100 discount, cashback, and a place on the premium tour if you register uTerra project lots of $1,000 or more from the start of the promotion until the 31st of January. That has been all news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you!